Hello, I am going to explain this activity here, business and management quiz, also the quiz for managers and tasks in the international enterprise, and the quiz for business negotiation idioms. Okay, you complained, and naturally, this is not easy. It is not very easy to do because there are special words that you have to know. So I have posted this file, this PDF, and you can check the vocabulary for the quizzes. Okay, you have the Spanish sense, the meaning more or less, and then what kind of construction we have for the quizzes. Okay, this list I had for the course, but I forgot to include this. Okay, so it is of course logical that you couldn't finish these quizzes very well. So you can do the quizzes again. Check the list. There are different meanings and the constructions that you need for this context of management and negotiation. Okay, these are special constructions for management, for business management. Then some simple words that you have in management and idioms for the quizzes with idioms. Idioms means a fixed expression. Es frase hecha. We say that in Spanish. Like for example, uh, es algo que no fracasa, que no funciona. Ser un fracaso empresarial, for example. So it goes like a bomb, or it bombs. In this case, it bombs in English. We say esto ha ido muy mal. It bombs. So you have the meanings here and the constructions as well. I hope it helps. If you have to complete these, if you have done these, maybe you can do this again with the help of the vocabulary. Okay, I don't know if you have any more problems, but I think these are easy to follow. Like always, every time we have done stress exercises with the different types of stress, choose two words for each. So you need two words from the reading for the first example, two words for the second, etc. Okay, and then more vocabulary for apology letters. I am not sure if you have done this. If you have problems, let me know. You have to choose the words and look for them here. So you choose the word and look for the word in the corpus, in the collection. Many examples of the use of the word in different contexts, in different lines. In this case, see that this is business letters corpus. So this is a collection of many business letters. And these words are very important in these letters. So when you obtain the results, you have to explain the examples of or phrases that appear in these words. Of course, not all, but some examples, some typical examples. For example, apologize, it means pedir disculpas, and you have to check an example like this one. This is a common example in the letters. We sincerely wish to apologize for the inconveniences caused. This is an example in a business letter when you apologize. You are giving an apology because something happened, something wrong, something bad happened. So that's the exercise for the vocabulary for apology letters. You have important documents here that you can download and check. See, these are all the documents, the models for the letters or the forms that we have seen in the course. So you have examples of these models. For example, apology letter. Each part of the letter is explained. This is very detailed. You have the outline for brochures. Remember the brochure we also saw, there are different parts, complaints, etc. So you have the important documents there. And these documents are important for these two activities. You have to write a complaint form on page 14, activity C in topic 3, and write the letter of apology, activity C, pages 17 to 18 in topic 3. So follow the models, follow the examples in the activities, etc. And you have to write the letter and upload here. Then answer the questions for the listenings. And finally, the vocabulary from the course. These are many expressions, not many, some expressions that we have seen in the course. So you should know, and if you don't know, you make sure that you go back to the activities, make sure that you know where you could find these. Of course, agencia de viajes, we have seen these many times. Anuncio publicitario, we have seen. Antipático, prefixes, we have seen this. So you have to check which words are important that we saw in these activities and then translate here. I think we have seen all of them. If there are any that you don't know because it's not something that we have seen, or maybe because online we couldn't reach that part, then write to me, tell me, and I can help you. But most of them, we have seen them, okay, in different activities in class until March 14th, or after March 14th online, you should have seen them in the different campus activities. Okay, and that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this helps. Okay, stay safe. See you soon. Bye.